The Arctic stretches endlessly, a frozen wilderness of snow and ice where life adapts to extreme cold. In this frozen land, Inuit families rely on sleds and huskies to navigate the snowy expanse.
Yaha! Woohoo!
They carefully select a thick, stable layer of snow to build a durable igloo. Special saws cut compact snow into blocks, the building material of these iconic homes. Blocks are carefully transported to the construction site, ready to form the igloo's circular walls. Blocks are placed in a circular pattern, forming the base of the igloo with precision. As layers build up, the walls curve inward, gradually forming the iconic dome. The final blocks are carefully placed, sealing the roof and completing the igloo. A small entrance is carved, allowing access while preserving warmth inside. An entrance tunnel protects against harsh winds, maintaining the igloo's internal warmth. Inside, the igloo reveals a round, bright space, surprisingly spacious and calm. Animal skins are spread on the snow floor, providing insulation and comfort. A seal oil lamp is lit, filling the igloo with soft, warm light. The temperature inside rises, creating a cozy refuge from the freezing cold outside. The family gathers for a meal, sharing food and warmth within the snow walls. Hunters prepare their gear, ready to search for seals beneath the ice. At a breathing hole, they wait patiently, striking swiftly when a seal surfaces. The hunters return with their catch, ensuring food and warmth for the community. Meat is carefully prepared and stored in the snow, a natural freezer that keeps it fresh. Women stitch warm fur clothing, essential for survival in the freezing Arctic winds. Men repair cracks in the igloo, adding fresh snow to reinforce the walls. Outside, a blizzard rages, but the igloo stands strong, shielding its occupants. The curved shape deflects the wind, a design perfected by centuries of Arctic living. Morning arrives with clear skies. The storm has passed, leaving a fresh white world. Inside, the family wakes up, ready to begin a new day in the Arctic wilderness. The sled is prepared, harness is fastened, and the loyal dogs bark with excitement. The family leaves the igloo behind, gliding across the snow toward the horizon.